last class we learned about the technical terms or basic terms which we call fashion terms in we used in fashion industry. So in this class we are going to see about the designs. So there are four types of design in this fashion field, which is called elements of design, principles of design, and decorative designs and structural designs. So the decorative and structural design comes under elements and principles of designs. So first in elements of design we have five terms, which is light, colors, shape, forms and silhouette. So these are the basic structural forms which we are sketching while making the garments. So first I am going to explain about the lights and the visual effect of lights while we are sketching the garments. So the first one, lights. So the types of lights are vertical, so these are the basic lines we are using in a garment to create a visual or structural effect. So not only these lines, we also have check patterns like this, or spirals, or dotted lines like this also. So these are the lines we are using most commonly we are using in a garment. So for vertical lines, the vertical lines you are slender effect while you are wearing a garment. So if you are using a vertical line design or a vertical line effect in a garment, we can look a little bit lean or slender. We can create a slender figure. Okay. So next one is horizontal. So horizontal lines will give you a visual effect like little bit stout or big. So we can use the horizontal lines to enhance our bust points or enhance our body a little bit stout. So these lines are horizontal line designs or patterns are mostly fitted for slender or thin figures. So next was zigzag lines. Zigzag lines are commonly used in like geometrical patterns or any other manly look to create a illusion. So while using a zigzag line, it will give a radiation effect or an illusion effect or a line movement effect in a garment. So wavy lines are mostly used for creating a feminine pattern. So wavy or curve lines. So curve lines and wavy lines we are using in most of the feminine clothing like gowns or frocks or middies or blouse or in sarees. So we are using the curve lines to create a patterns for feminine effect. So but nowadays we commonly both genders commonly use both types of lines, masculine and feminine lines. So the vertical, horizontal, zigzag and diagonal lines mostly used in garments which where the male gender, men's are So in this design, I used diagonal lines, vertical lines and horizontal lines to create a garden look. So for next, thank you so much. For next class, we are going to learn about other elements of design and this design. Thank you.